Hey everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, today we are going to discuss a very important topic, which is how to prepare for interview for admission in MTech in IITs after GATE examination. After clearing our GATE examination, it is also important for us to prepare for the interview because most of the IITs, especially the first year IITs, conduct their own interviews in order to shortlist for the MTech courses. So let's see how to prepare for those. Before getting to know how to prepare for the interview exam, you also need to know what all things you should be ready with. So, the first thing is mark sheets. Obviously, the 10th, 12th, and your BTech or the graduation, or if you have done a diploma also, then a diploma mark sheet also. Now, you'll say that suppose for a fresher, that means one who is in a graduating year, what he or she should do. If he has a provisional mark sheet, then it's totally fine. And even if he doesn't have a provisional mark sheet, at least till the 7th sem, he should have mark sheets. Now, you should have a GATE scorecard, an ID proof, and very important is your resume. What all things should you include in your resume? Resume should be specifically related to your technical skills only because IITs will only conduct the technical interviews and they are only interested in your technical skills. So, what all comes under the technical skills? First one is projects. The projects you have done in your BTech course, that is minor or major project. Along with this, whatever training you have taken, you can also mention about it. And it's not just about mentioning in your resume, it is also important that you should know a detailed version of your projects and your training because if they'll ask some questions related to this, then you shouldn't say that I don't know about it. You should know about your project and your training. Now, technical skills. It's not much important, but if you'll show that you have a knowledge of some coding language like C, C++, or Python, then it will be good for them. Then comes up your subjects of interest. Subjects of interest can be any subjects related to your BTech course which you should be knowing about. Then comes the certificates. If you wish to tell about the co-curricular activities, you can put it, but they are, as I told, that they are more interested in your technical certificates. So if you have taken part in some sort of technical events, then you can mention about it. And the last thing is follow what is mentioned by them. It means that whatever they'll mention on their site or through email, whatever they'll be telling you, what all things you need to carry during either offline interview or online interview, that is more important. And telling about resume, I need to tell you that it might be possible that they do not see your resume, but resume is a very important part of your interview and it will be of use afterwards also. So you need to make a resume. Now comes up the question that what all things will be asked in the interview. So I'll need to tell you that the interview will be totally technical only. So first of all, what things you need to do is select some at least two favorite subjects and preferably they should be your core subjects. That is, if I am talking about electronics engineer, then if you are going to say them that my two favorite topics are control and networks, then it is not of much interest to them because this is not your core subject. It is also as an electrical. So what is the difference between you and an electrical engineer if both your favorite subjects are same? So if you will be choosing analog or EDC or electromagnetics, then they'll be more interested, and more often they ask the questions with those topics only. And one thing I need to tell you is that sometimes they might ask you what are your favorite subjects are, but most of the time they'll start by their own asking about some topics. If you are not able to tell them, then they'll be asking you your favorite subjects and they'll be asking the questions related to it. So preferably choose some core subjects. Now, the other topic that comes up is that suppose if they ask questions by themselves, what are they going to ask? So, suppose if you have applied for the communication MTech in communications and signal processing, then obviously they'll start with the communication topic or the signals and system topics. So if you are applying for a CSP course, then you should obviously learn communication and signal processing. If you are applying for some photonics course, then obviously you need to know about your EDC as well as electromagnetics, most preferably. But at times you can't learn all the subjects. So what is the best thing that you can do is you should at least start preparing about two subjects thoroughly, and also pay attention to what all forms you have filled. According to that you can prepare. Suppose you have prepared for a VLSI course, you have then what all things do you need to do is you need to know about the fabrication processes that are involved. EDC analog you can also learn. So this way you need to prepare your interview questions. Now talking about the interview questions, they'll be very basic, which means that they can even ask you about the half wave rectifier or full wave rectifier. You need to make the circuit and you need to explain what all things are going on into this. They can also ask you about the PN junction. What all things happen in the PN junctions, how the ions or the electrons or the holes are moving. They can also ask you about plotting the graphs. So this way the interview questions will be very basic. They are not going to say you to solve some critical questions. This way the interview questions will go on. And a important thing that I would like to tell you is some IITs conduct a screening test before the interview that that is being conducted. So in the screening test, suppose if they are asking for photonics, then you need to see the site of that IIT and see what all things are being asked in photonics. According to that you can prepare for some of the topics that are being asked. Like in photonics they can ask you about electromagnetic questions and they can ask you about EDC questions. So this way you can prepare for your screening test, and after screening test they'll be conducting the interview. The last thing that could be said about the interview questions is be confident and try. What I'm telling you about trying is that suppose if you don't know any question, if you have no idea about that question, you can simply say that sorry sir, I don't know about this question. But even if you know a little bit about it, you should give it a try, because they are more interested in seeing that if a student is willing to give his whole heart to that thing or not. Because most of the times IIT are into research and they want people who should try. So if you know even a little bit about it, you should try, and trust me, they are also going to help you with your question. They are also going to give you hints. So that's all about the interview. how you can prepare for the interview. And similarly, as I've given examples for ECE, the other students of CS and electrical can also prepare for the interview the same way. Thank you.